The Agribusiness Management Program is focused on learnings and teachings in strategic thinking to create an environment for postgraduate education in agribusiness that is focused on value addition, focused on transformation of the individual, for creating solutions to food security problems in Nigeria and Africa. So we cover all value chains from cocoa, cassava, groundnut, cowpea, and all of those things that are the staple foods as well as the arable foods. And then we move into module where the practical learning and training is very critical.
What we are stepping on is weed mat. It's used for controlling weed. You can also use plastic mulch. Then we have an irrigation tank at the back that supplies water. We have the drip tape. So we just open the valve, then water comes directly to the plant.
And the good thing is these irrigation channels are right at the bottom of the...
Yes, we have some emitters on the drip tape. So you plant directly on the emitter.
Our candidates and students are exposed to the practical learning to see places where there are positive impact and in companies and corporations that are successful in their field and things that will make them successful from the practical standpoint in agribusiness.